Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, my co-hosts are down here wondering why I'm filming over here. But I've been doing some lipstick try-ons, so yeah, avoid the mess in the background. But I'm gonna do this Ulta haul because I wasn't gonna do it, but then, you know, I want the stuff. So we're gonna look at what I got from Ulta. It was a few things, y'all. And it's all in this box here. Hello. Okay, so the elephant in the room is this Beauty Queen Blowout. Y'all, I had heard some good things about this Big Gal Bang, so I thought, oh, I'll try the Big Gal Bang. Well, when I went on Ulta, I saw this kit, and you could get this kit for just a few dollars more than what they wanted for just this mascara right here. So I went ahead and got the kit. I don't have my price sheet. Well, that doesn't have prices on it. I don't have my laptop. So I will pop them up, make them flash somewhere with prices, what I actually paid. This actually says that it was suggested $39, but the actual value is $87. It comes with a Porefessionals Primer. We know we love that one. And Cookie. So this is from benifitcosmetics. What is Cookie? Golden Pearl Super Silky Highlighter. They're all full-size products, and this is the Hydrating Primer, by the way. So we're gonna open it up. I want to see what's inside. I've been really wanting to try the Big Gal Bang. And I will also flash up there the girl that tries on all the mascaras that's on TikTok. I'll put her name, I'll flash it somewhere, so that if you want to see why I decided to get this, it's because of her. I just don't know her name offhand. Shame on me. Look at the packaging. This stuff is just bad. Big Gal Bang. It's cool. Bigger, better volume mascara. And I'm sure it's in black. Let's look at the wand. Look at that wand. Oh yeah, I've got lipstick all over me. I'm like a kid. I get stuff everywhere. That is interesting. Can't try it on for you right now, but I will do a video about it, just a little short or something, so you can see what this looks like on. This is the Porefessionals Primer. This is the Hydrating Primer. I'm not gonna open it right now because I've got the other Porefessional Primer open. And this stuff is expensive, so I don't want it to go bad. But this is the one I normally buy. I always have a couple of these on hand because I love it. It really blurs down your pores. And I'll wear this without even wearing a foundation. And this just be my foundation. It's great. I love it. So I'm curious to try the hydrating version. Very cool. And now we can look at this Cookie highlighter. I love highlighter. I mean, can we just address the packaging for a minute? This is beautiful packaging. Very cute. And hello. No, I'm kidding. So there is a mirror in there and a little brushy. And apparently an instruction manual for girls like me who need a little instruction every once in a while. But let's dig down to this highlighter, y'all. Look at that. I mean, okay, let's get this brush out because I want to dig in. Let's just dig in. All right, I do have some highlighter on. Well, I had it on earlier. This is in today, but let's just, okay. Okay. Hello. That'll take some blending. My goodness, look at that. Yeah, okay. I would have to blend it down. That is a little strong for me. I am of an age, y'all. Is it setting on my pores? Is it, you know, let's get the magnifier, the scary mirror out, okay? I don't know that it's emphasizing too much. Y'all ignore Harry over here. Well, not Harry. The bump. We'll call it the bump. I was gonna name him, but that didn't work for me because there's not a hair growing out of it. But y'all, this is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. All right, let me just stick my finger in there so I can show you this. Yeah, that's some highlight right there. I mean, I can make, oh, man. I shouldn't have done that. It's a good thing it's in today. This stuff stays. You put it on, it stays. And it's definitely, wow, blinding highlighter. That is insane. I love this. I absolutely love this. All right, so if y'all got this, let me know what you think. Am I crazy? Am I right? I don't know. We're going to move on. Because I think they were having a sale. And I think it was on mostly Milani stuff. Because that is what is in here. Milani. 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 Hang on. I'm still going. Milani. 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 Yes, I got a few things. Okay. So we're going to go through all this Milani stuff. And I did get a few other things. I will show you those too. I just set them to the side for now. But I want to address what I'm smelling right now. Y'all, I absolutely love these things. I haven't actually tried this particular brand before. This is the Ulta brand. This is Whim. And these are Breathe Inspiration Shower Flower Steamers. I love shower steamers. This is one of these that opens up your sinuses. I love these. So when I saw that Ulta had a brand, because I normally pay like $12 for two, and I don't think these were that expensive, but I did grab a couple of these to try them out and see if they hold a candle to the brand I have been using. Oh, I love it. Okay. Where do I want to start? My goodness. So this is Cheek Kiss Merlot Moment. Of course, it is a blush. Is it cream? I think it's a cream blush. You know, oh. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm gonna have fun playing with this. I love a cream blush. I've been going more towards the creams and stuff now. It's definitely why I got that. Also got the eyeshadow primer from Milani. I've never used their eyeshadow primer. This is in Nude. I really want to try those other ones. Can't think of the name of them. I'll think of it eventually. But when it came, everything was kind of floating around in the box. So this had popped open. It was in there. I'm not worried about that. Lightweight invisible finish. Okay. It blended in nicely, so it would be invisible. Good. Good, good. So this is the Milani Gilded Pastels palette. Hyperpigmented eyeshadow palette. Bright pops of mint, lavender, and peach with subtle shimmers. Undeniable Gilded. Look at those colors, y'all. That is so... Oh. Okay, can anybody guess which color I'm going to stick my finger in first? Yeah. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yep. All right. I'll do a better swatch in the future. I just wanted to show you a few colors because I'm running out of time. It's getting late in the day. It's gonna be dinner time soon. So I got the 3 lip liners and 4 lipsticks. In the lip liners, Milani Color Statement Lip Liner, True Red. Milani Easy Liner for Lips, Retractable Pencil, Sugar Plum. And Milani Color Statement Liner, 12 Bordeaux. All right, so I'm just gonna swatch some of these real quick. This is Bordeaux. Oh, that's nice. This is True Red. What do you think, guys? Is it a True Red? I don't know. And this is the retractable one in Sugar Plum. Oh, that went on real nice. Okay, I also got some of these, what were they called? Fetish, Fetish matte something or others. I don't know. I'll write it all below. I will put links and all that good stuff below. So, this is the Milani. Been hearing a lot about these lately. This one is Bitten. Look at that. Oh, can y'all see that? Let's see what Bitten looks like. Ooh, Bitten is dangerous. My goodness. Watch back. I do also do on TikTok and on YouTube try-ons where I put the lipstick on my lips so you can actually see the color on my lips. So keep an eye out for those. This one is Sensual. Ooh, that's dark. Oh no, that's pretty brown dark. I don't know if I can handle all that. As always, I want y'all to tell me what you think below. Tell me which ones you like, what you don't like, what you think would look good on me, what you don't think would look good on me. Just ignore all the stuff on my bed. It's a mess here today. Also got some of these. These are the Color Statement lipsticks. And I got 17 Plum Rose and 27, which is Dolce Carbamelo. Let's just look. I'm running out of spots to put it, y'all. Oh, that's nice. I like that. And that's the Plum Rose. And this is the one I couldn't pronounce. I can see it better in the camera than I can on my hand. But yeah, just a little cute wash of color. Very good. Love them. Can't wait to try them on. Let's see. That was all the Milani. I also did, I was influenced by the influencers. The itcosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation and skincare. It has skincare in it too. And it's supposed to improve your skin in 2 weeks. So I got the Light Neutral 21.5. Let's open it up and see. I've been dying to try this because everybody else is. And I guess, like I said, I'm easily influenced. So here's the foundation. I just don't know if the color is going to be right or not. I'll have to try it on when I don't have makeup on. Right now I've got mostly a full face of makeup. I've wiped my lips off several times, but let's just see it. I want to see it. Okay. There it is. I said, I'll definitely have to put it on my face to see if the color will even match me or not. I don't know. You can definitely see it, but of course, like I said, I got a full face of makeup on. And it really needs to be tested right there. Let's just do this. Actually, I think that might work pretty good. It blended right in to my neck, and I can't even see it anymore. So yeah, that may work. Maybe we'll do a video on it later. And me putting it on. But yeah, super cool. Feels good. Okay, with that, I did get this free, I think. This is the Cakeless Concealer Benefit. Really? I need to get glasses. So, let's look at this little bitty. Can't Stop Light Cool is the color. Itty tiny, tiny. But y'all, concealer goes a long way. It don't take much. Okay, I'm interested to play with that on my face. While I was at it, I got a couple of OPIs. I haven't been giving my nails the love they needed lately, so I did get a few colors. This one is not exactly what I thought it was going to be, but, you know, I'll try it. And it is Topless Beach, and this one is, yeah, I don't know. It's just a bunch of letters and numbers on there. What color is it? Let's just do this. Of course, I did not shake them up or anything, y'all. Keep that in mind. Not too bad. And let me do this one now. Y'all, this is a perfect nude color. I mean, do y'all wear, or do you want to wear a little more color? I mean, because that almost feels like I'm kind of blending it out as to where this is a little color. What do y'all think? What do y'all like about the colors, not like about the colors? Last thing I got is this itcosmetics Hello and Lashes. I do believe this also came because I got the other thing. I'll have to look it up, and like I said, I'll write it all down below for you. But let's look at the brush. Oh my goodness. Interesting. Teeny tiny little spiky bristles. All right, I'll try it out. We'll see. So that is what I got in my Ulta haul. What do y'all think? What was your favorite? What did you like, not like? What do you think I wasted my money on? Like I said, I will put the prices. They'll flash. Everything is listed down below in the description with links if I can find it on the site to link back to you. It's not affiliated. It's not referral. None of that. It's just links. So I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for spending time with me, and God bless.